Alright, so I'm changing out my factory exhaust for a competition Werkes exhaust. Should be pretty easy, just simple bolts and stuff. I've already taken the exhaust off of the OEM rear sets before to get the Woodcraft rear sets on. Wow, yeah, I Superman to that shit. There's enough stock videos on YouTube to show what this bike sounds like. But no matter what you hear, it still doesn't compare to hearing it in person. I know specifically because of my R1, who's right there. And she fell off. Cool. So that's loosened up. Is it really that easy? This fucking thing's gotta be heavy. Oh my god. Jesus. Good God. Why would you put so much weight on here? So this should just be as simple as, well, let's see if I can. Of course, as simple, and then I have problems with it. Oh, so much easier. Oh my god, she looks better already. It's like a facelift, or a tailpipe lift. It's like an ass lift. It says to clean with WD-40. clean with WD-40. Jesus. Yeah. That looks like sex. Done. Alright, so just completed the Composition Works exhaust install. Of course, I don't have my key on me. Oh my god, my neighbors are gonna fucking hate me. I love it. Oh fuck. That's the best shit ever. Perfect.
Agents of the Resistance.